So I played this game yesterday, and it was so much fun. I thought, fuck it, let's go for a second try. Let's go for a second run. Let's play this game a bit more time because I don't really go back to games. I don't really play them, like do a series on them. But I thought, fuck it, let's do a series on this. Let's check how my audio is, and then... Oh yeah, sounds fun. Ah shit, no, mute. There we go. Alright, cool. Alright, let's go lads. I'm excited for this. Now, I can't actually remember where I stopped the last episode. Oh, that's a bit fucking close, mate. Jeez. We've only just met. Can I change where your face goes? No, you just stare where you stare. Okay. I remember last episode, his fucking kid, I think, what the fuck, Shaun was being an absolute cunt. Come on, Shaun, eat your microwave pizza. Oh, nope, I'm off. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. Fuck, I thought it was gonna be O again. That's annoying. Now, we're gonna put these down. Bro, can I have some fucking pizza, bro? That pizza looks good. No, I want the fucking pizza. Why is the pizza steaming? It just went into a fucking microwave. I want some fucking pizza, bro. What the fuck is that? What? I wonder if they actually like animated an entire episode of something, or they just... Why didn't you just bring your pizza here? Okay, that is an extremely weak light. The light in my fucking house is so fucking bright, we can't even look at it. It's so fucking bright it hurts our eyes.
Come on, Shaun. It's time for bed.
Huh? But I never go to bed this early.
You're right, it's still early. I'll come back for you when it's time.
Oh, it's weird when he stares at the fucking camera. You seen this? You seen this prick? Fucking dickhead. Alright, what do we do whilst we fucking wait then? What's on the newspaper? Origami killer strikes again. Seventh victim identified. The police have confirmed that the modest... okay, I guess that's the end of that. Isn't the origami killer the person we go after in this game? Bet we're gonna like see him in the windows or something. What's this? Oh, okay. Put on the laundry. There's nothing in there. What the fuck is that? Oh, a random fucking toy? Nice. I'm just turning on all the lights because it's like, I know we're about to fucking have a jump scare. This is fucking setting me up for a jump scare. So if a jump scare does happen...
Come on, Shaun. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth
your
and put on
bedroom?
your pajamas. I'll
That's
come
a
up.
bit fucking weird. Don't you think this is weird? It's I love that you can just fucking stare at. Actually, how fucking close can I get to the camera? Hi. That's a bit weird. Can I turn off the TV then? Because sorry, but my TV does not have a button on it to just switch it off. Also, don't y'all have fucking blinds? People can see in. That's weird AF. Alright. He's obsessed with turning on lights. Alright, let's turn on the light. Okay, this light doesn't work. Oh God's sake, okay. Why is it covered with dust? Okay. Why is there a remote in here? Oh. That's just fucked.
Hey, stop messing around or I'll never be able to film you.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. Oh, yeah, Jason, tell me what you want to be when you grow up.
I don't know. Maybe
Yeah,
a
send that off.
fireman or an
I guess my PlayStation isn't strong enough to render tears. You gotta get PlayStation 5 for that. Hello, I see you. Right, where the fuck's my son? Wagwan, son.
Good night, Shaun.
My teddy. I haven't got my teddy, Dad.
You must have left it
my
somewhere in
fuck,
the
you
house.
fucking
Do you
brat.
have any idea where it could be?
No,
I love
Dad.
that we just
Please,
saw his
I can't
teddy
sleep
and we're
without
still
him.
like, nah, it's gone. Too bad.
That's too bad, Shaun. Time to sleep now.
Oh no, Dad. Please, I need my teddy.
Bro, you're like 12. Okay.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay?
Oh my god, that fucking smile was disgusting. Yo, I know exactly where the teddy is. We saw it. He's like fucking 12. When I was 12, I didn't have a fucking teddy. So no. Then we find out it's disappeared. There we go. We got the teddy. Most immersive gameplay ever. I need the teddy. Okay, here's the teddy. Okay, good night. I'm expecting a jump scare or something. I don't know why. I heard this is a horror game.
Thanks, Dad.
So far, the animations are horrific.
Good night, Shaun.
Night. Dad,
Yeah?
What?
why do you look so sad?
Because my son's
I
dead.
think I just need some time.
Like, why do you
get
look
back
so
to the way
sad?
things were.
Because he's fucking
You know,
dead,
Dad,
you dumb
what happened
cunt.
to Jason wasn't your fault.
Good night, Shaun.
Can we turn on his light? No, we can't. That's annoying. Hope you die, kid. What? What? Mate. Is he turning into a fucking zombie? What the fuck's going on? Okay, he can teleport. What the fuck? Oh, okay, that's cool. Nah, God. Okay. Our son's dead. Our second son. Oh, hello. New character. This is really fucking up close and personal. Why is it saying inches? Is that his dick size? The fuck? No, but actually, why was it saying inches? And the fucking shot starts off at his crotch and then pans up. I think it's his dick size. And if it is, I'm really sad for you, mate. This is a fucked up motel. Or hotel. Where the fuck are we?
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
Nope, can't say
God.
it does.
I've sneezed and somehow snot has ended up in my eye. What the fuck? That is incredibly gross, and I'm sorry I actually told you guys.
Oh, that Lauren Winter. Third floor.
That's like
last door on the
£1,
left at
bro.
The end of the corridor.
Here's £1. What can I get with this? Right, who's Lauren Winter? Okay. Third floor. I need to reset my fucking headset. Alright. I think it's this door. I remember seeing from like some YouTube video.
Lauren Winter?
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Oh, it's so I'm really slow. Just keep on knocking on the door.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
Are we about to see a sex scene?
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
Once again, that's like £1, bro. Okay.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Okay.
Shit, a call.
We're about to get naked, bro.
I should have known. Were you
Oh.
on a freebie?
Wait,
Is that
what?
it?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective.
Oh,
The families of the
I
victims
thought
of the
we were about to
origami
see
killer
some
asked
sex,
me to
bro. The
investigate
fuck?
murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I was getting all happy. Getting all
I already
wrecked.
told the police
What the
all I know
fuck?
and have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
Compassion.
I understand, Lauren. I know what you're going through.
This-
Oh, yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland?
Yes, I do.
I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
Well, it's happened to me 5 times.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
My daughter's
Yes.
dead, so what difference does it make?
Bye.
I bought 10 minutes of your time, didn't I? All I ask is that you use that time to answer some questions.
You don't even have
You
to
want
suck
to
my
pay me
dick.
to tell you about
Unless
my
you want
son?
to.
Is that it? You can buy my body, Mr. Shelby, but my son is not for sale. Get out of here.
But
Get the
how
fuck
does £1 sound? How does that sound? No? Are you sure? Okay, I don't do this often. But what about £2?
So if you remember anything, the smallest detail, give me a call.
Okay. We're just off now? Okay. Look. See ya. See ya. Have a nice day. Can we knock on other random people's houses? What the fuck? You okay, bro? What are we searching for? Oh, inhaler. Okay. Okay.
Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Troy, what are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal, but I really wanted to see ya.
I want more sex.
What do you want, asshole?
Lauren, is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
Can we just knock?
You again?
Hello. Oh shit. No, I am super. Fuck you. Oh shit. I'm gonna beat the shit out of this guy. I'm stupid, but at least I know how to fight. I'm just beating the shit out of this guy. Oh no, the oranges! My £1! Oh no, now he's gonna fuck me! Oh shit, sorry. Buh! Buh! Yeah! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh, I pressed the wrong button originally. No, now I'm gonna fuck you! Who's gonna fuck who? Oh god. I'm actually trying. Should I be trying or not? Oh my fucking god, this game loves quick time events. But luckily I'm really fucking good at them. My guy's still getting his ass kicked. And I've been getting every single one of these correct. I think my guy, whatever happens, still gets his ass beat. Oh nope, I'm winning now.
I'll see you again, asshole.
We just destroyed this woman's house.
Are you alright?
No.
Better than him, I guess. Who is he?
I loved that before I had like cuts and bruises all over me. I get that cutscene ends and I'm fine.
You should be careful. They'll probably be back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby.
No, I just leave?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, cool. I don't even get my £1 back? How dare you? How dare you? Oh my fucking god, I love this game. I fucking love this game, bro. Oh, who's this guy? Who's this guy? Ah, I'm a white knight. Fucking brilliant. You guys can't see this, but achievement came up on my screen and it just said white knight. Fucking brilliant. Fucking brilliant. I'm a white knight, chat. I'm a white knight on Redditor. Oh, this guy has some more inches. A few more inches. That's good. But who is this guy? He's very nervous, apparently. What if they find out about my inches? Did he just put that in his dick? Just so I have a few more inches. I wonder who's gonna have 1 inch. Because so far nobody has been big enough to have 1 inch. Hello. Fucking got really close and personal with that guy.
The zone is sectioned off, sir. Please step back.
Agent Norman Jaden, FBI.
I'm FBI.
Badge
Oh,
or
brilliant!
something, Mr.
I'm
Jaden?
FBI.
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
I'm FBI.
Check.
Let me in.
Pass.
You're not even gonna check it? Okay.
I'm looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around?
I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
Thanks.
Okay. Alright, we're on the crime scene. Alright. I need to fucking adjust my headset. Alright. All adjust. I don't think I'm meant to be. No, I'm not meant to be going this way. What the fuck are those? Sorry, I need to go cool mode.
Video memo recording.
What the
Agent
fuck?
47023, Norman Jaden. Tuesday,
What the fuck
October
are
4th,
these?
2011. Time is 8:14 a.m.
Okay. Nah, let's put them back on. We're recording. Nice. What the fuck? There's some kind of smell.
Hey, you there? What are you doing?
Checking stuff out. I'm super cop.
Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me you'd be here.
Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place.
Yes,
Will you tell that
this
asshole with the
seems
bulldozer to stop for
finally
5 minutes?
like
I
some
can't hear
heavy
myself
rain.
think here.
Right away, Lieutenant.
Like really fucking heavy rain.
Well,
Like, are
you
we
coming,
sure
Jaden?
this isn't hell?
So,
Hellstone?
what happened?
Hellstones?
Some guy
That their
taking his
name?
dog for a piss found a
do you
body
say?
about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now.
Yes.
Based on what we see,
I'm
looks like
taking
the work
this
of the
very
origami
serious,
killer.
as you can see.
Has the time of death been established?
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours ago. We should know more once the coroner has had a look. Any news on the coroner? He's on his way, Lieutenant. We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Has the body been identified?
No, not yet. We should know more later today.
Okay.
Do we know the cause of death?
There are no marks on the body. Chances are he
On
was
the body.
drowned, like the others.
Witnesses?
Any witnesses?
None yet. Given the neighborhood, I'd be surprised if anybody saw anything. Tony,
Okay.
I don't want to see a single shit-stirring journalist within a mile of here. You got it?
Yes, Lieutenant.
Do you
Leads?
have any leads?
My men are going over the scene with a fine-tooth comb. If the killer left anything behind, we'll find it. Listen, I'm a little busy here. Why don't we discuss all this a little later, back at the office?
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
I understand. Do you mind if I have a look around?
Be my guest.
Okay, because a few seconds ago you were
Hey,
screaming
Jake.
at me.
You come and see me if you find anything, okay?
Okay.
Same team now.
Right. The fuck was that? I don't know. But Super Cop engaged. Scanning, scanning.
Some orchid pollen. The concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain, but it gets higher in the direction of the body.
Okay, so this is just showing me where the body is.
Airy comment. The pollen particles disappear in the tall grass. It's probably the end of the trail. Airy comment.
Just a fucking
Traces
train.
of
Just
blood on the railroad track. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion.
okay. So they were exhausted. They were running. See, I'm a detective. I'm smart.
Footprints continue just after the pollen trail. There's a good chance that they're the killers.
And this fucking leaves are really getting in my fucking mouth. Why can't I? Okay.
Airy
handprint.
comment. Traces of blood detected on the fence behind the railroad line.
Yeah, I don't think you're getting what I'm getting from this. You can find out the person's fucking shoe size, their hand size, and you can actually find out a lot from that. You can fucking test the blood, see what blood type they are. You can find out a lot from this. Oh shit. But he's only saying like, oh yeah, they were a bit tired. Come on, we can climb. We're older than 2. We're escaping. Then we're gonna slide down and it's gonna be really fun. Oh shit. There must have been witnesses.
There's a good chance that they're the killers.
Okay, so already we know who the killer is. Fucking brilliant. Oh! Tire marks. We can find out what car it is.
Harry, comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car.
Yeah, but you can find out what car it is from the fucking tire marks. See, even my fucking illness agrees. I'm all ill, by the way. You can find out what fucking car it is from the tire marks. Why is he like, oh yes, there was a car? No, you can find out a lot from like the fucking tire marks and like the fucking footprints. Oh no, I wasn't paying attention to that. Oh, okay. Oh god, oh, I wasn't paying attention again. Oh fuck, sorry my guy. Right, this time I'll pay attention. There we go. There we go. There you go, my guy. He's already fucking covered. I don't think he cares about that little tiny bit, but at least you're not covered even more. Alright, where the fuck's more fucking... The fuck are you doing? Okay, why did he just stop to fucking... Oh, puddle. Like, the fuck? Okay, you can find out they're fucking a lot from their lips. Oh. Alright, cool.
Unrelated to the investigation.
I think it fucking is. Oh my fucking god, this is one of the worst fucking, like, detectives I've ever fucking seen. Okay, so they ran towards here.
Harry, comment. victim is lying on his back. No visible signs of violence.
Okay. Okay. Wait, no, I didn't want to do that.
Think I've seen all there is to see.
No! Oh fuck, I'm getting ill again.
Origami figure in the right hand.
Okay.
Fingers were probably closed after the time of death.
Mm-hmm.
An orchid was placed on the victim's chest.
Okay, well I'm still...
The victim is Jeremy Bowles, declared missing 5 days ago. See reference file.
Okay.
Superficial wound on the right thigh. The blood is identical to that on the fence.
Okay, so we're already linking shit. Okay. So
Harry
this
comment, sample of no interest, comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool. Super Cop, we're done. Wagwan.
I'm heading back to the office. You staying?
Nah. I can't fucking see the
No,
options.
I've seen enough. I'm leaving too.
Can we take the ambulance? I'm pretty ill, as you can probably hear. Oh, okay, my character just wanted to walk into this guy. Why does my character not understand how things work? Alright, cool. Oh, everyone be careful with the fucking train! Might get ran over. What would have happened if I just stood on the fucking train tracks? Okay, okay. Let's go home. Okay. Oh, we're with this guy again. Huh? Looks like a butterfly.
A butterfly.
Wolf.
A wolf's head.
Crab.
A crab.
I don't know. I guess death.
Blood. Blood spreading through water.
I meant to say death, but okay. I have anxiety.
I have the results of your MRI scans. Everything seems to be normal. There is no physical
It says
damage
right there
from this.
anxiety.
However, I am worried about your psychological condition. I know it's not easy, but you've got to start.
I'm just gonna
over,
walk
Ethan.
off. Fuck off.
You're not responsible for what happened.
It's my fault Jason is dead. He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
It was an accident. Accidents
No,
happen
no,
every
no.
day.
I don't want to listen.
You can't
Shut up.
blame yourself forever for your
Shut up.
son's death.
No, 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 no.
How is
no,
Shaun?
no. He's dead. Disappointed.
I know he's disappointed in me. I'm not the father I used to be. He's a great kid, you know. He deserves better.
And what about you, Ethan? What do you feel?
I stopped living at the same time Jason did. When that car ran into us.
Is there something else you wanted to tell me?
I love that the monitor's just like, he's a bit sad. Schizophrenia?
Have there been any cases of split personality developing after concussion? Like, people doing things but having no memory of what they've done. Like somebody else had been doing them.
We know that in certain cases, a violent shock to the brain can cause serious psychological disturbances.
No, that's
like
most
schizophrenia, for
cases,
example.
you dumb prick.
That's the end of this session. We'll continue this conversation next week.
Alright, Ron Weasley.
You were lucky, Ethan. It's very rare to survive such a traumatic accident.
Yeah, okay, fuck off.
I don't exactly feel lucky, Doctor.
That's such a dickhead thing to say to someone, like, yeah, even though your fucking son's dead, you're lucky. Like, what the fuck? I'm not lucky. Oh, we're almost at 1 inch. Bruh.
Do you want to eat something?
Is something the matter, Shaun?
No, I'm alright.
Well, that's a fucking lie.
Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
I don't feel like it.
Oh, okay, you stroppy cunt.
How did things go at school today?
I was punished because I didn't do my homework.
Well, I did fucking tell you to do your homework.
I'm sorry about that, Shaun. Next time, we'll really pull it together, okay?
Alright, I fucking hate Shaun. Can someone kidnap him?
I haven't been on a seesaw in a long time. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay. Alright, let's go.
Come on, Dad, make me fly.
Alright. This is fucking boring as shit. Ah, I see a rainbow. Fucking kill this cunt. Kill the child. Throw him off there. Okay, how fucking long is this gonna go on for? Alright, it's done. Now I can punch you in your face if you want. Alright, bye. That was enough. He's happy now. My job is done. I'm sad now. How are you guys? I'm just gonna go in the bushes. Okay, I guess I have to stay. Where the fuck's my son?
I'll find something else to do with him.
Okay, I don't fucking know. What is he into? No, not into this. Not into monkey bod. merry-go-round?
What about that merry-go-round? I bet I can push you so fast you won't be able to stay on it.
Great!
But I loved merry-go-rounds as a kid. Just fucking pushing them as hard as you fucking can and then letting go and trying to like stand up or something. It's incredibly dangerous, but it's so fucking fun.
Go on, Dad, as fast as you can.
Fucking spamming it. Fucking okay. Alright. Shut up. I'm fucking trying, kid. I'm getting fucking dizzy.
Whoa. I think my head is spinning.
He almost knocked into that kid.
Though.
Fucking hell, okay. Can we kill this child? Alright, cool. Seesaw? No. Swing. Why the fuck did I say seesaw?
You want to go play on the swing?
Can we just throw him off?
Okay.
Get on. Come on. Don't have all fucking day. Move along. Alright, cool. Alright. Oh shit. Shit, sorry. I wasn't paying attention. Fuck, shut up, kid. Alright. And then drop. And...
Come on, Dad! Higher!
Fuck off. Right. This child's annoying. I prefer Jason. Why can't we push him even higher? Push him so hard he fucking falls off. Come on, fall off. This time though. Oh fuck. Fall off. Oh, for fuck's sake.
That was cool.
Yeah. Wasn't too cool though. You didn't fucking fall off. Alright, let's go.
Looks like rain's coming.
Well, the game's
I
called
think we
fucking
better
Heavy
go.
Rain, mate. I think it's
Okay.
gonna come.
You know, sometimes I remember before. I mean, when Jason was still here.
Oh yeah,
Sometimes I
just
wish
make this
everything
really
would
fucking
just be the way
depressing.
it
Yeah,
was
thanks,
before.
mate.
Me too, Shaun. Me too.
Wait, do we have to go with him? The fuck? I thought we were leaving. Cunt, come on, come with me. What the fuck? Let's go, Shaun. Where the fuck are you going?
Come on, Dad, what are you doing?
Coming.
I'm going to the exit. Is there another exit? Where the fuck are you going? The exit's over here. I see the second exit. Cunt! Stop
Hey, Dad,
fucking
can I have a
stopping.
ride on the carousel? Can I?
Sure. Go pick a horse
Oh,
and
fucking
get
hell,
on.
that's a bit
I'll
close.
get a ticket.
Hello. Fucking hell. Right, where do we get a ticket? You guys? Where do we get a ticket? I don't know why my character's like... Oh, here we go.
One, please. That's $1.
Fuck. My only weakness. Paying for shit. Alright. Why the fuck did he just look down all the press? Oh, for fuck's sake, he's having one of his fucking mental breakdowns. Oh god. Yep, those are your shoes. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, fuck yes. Fuck yes. Maybe this pony.
Shaun, where are you? Shaun! 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 Shaun!
Maybe he's in the bag. What the fuck?
Shaun, where are you? Shaun!
What the fuck is...
Shaun!
Where the fuck is this prick?
Shaun! Shaun, where are you? Shaun! 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 Shaun!
He really fucking can't stop flipping light switches. No, mate. Nah, I don't wanna. I don't wanna buy followers. I don't wanna, mate. How the fuck do I delete that comment? Is it? Fuck, I can't delete the comment. But no, bro, I don't want to. Actually, I was gonna end stream anyway, so thanks, dickhead, for putting that random comment there. But yeah, I'm gonna go, guys. See you guys next time. Hope you're enjoying the series, and yeah, see ya.